Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Brittany. Nice to finally meet you. So for today's video, we are gonna do a 7-day trial using Curology. So when you get it in the mail, this is how it comes, and it just has this nice logo of Curology. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and it says, "I was made for you," and then this cute little bag that contains the 3 items. So it looks like this, and it says "Your skin goals achieved," which is super cute. And it has the cleanser, and then this is what the treatment looks like. So it has your name, so you know it's personalized for you, and it has the specific ingredients that are made for you based on the quiz that you took, so that they know exactly what you're trying to treat with your face. And then it also comes with a moisturizer. So you get these 3 little items for the first trial. I believe it's supposed to last like a month or 2 weeks or something like that, and it's only $4.95. You just pay for the shipping. Afterwards, if you do decide that you want to continue with Curology, it is in a range between $20 to $30, which is pretty expensive, but I mean, if it works, then. So basically, to get started with Curology, all you do is you go onto their website and you answer these questions to the quiz about your skin. After you take the quiz, they then have you submit images of your face, first of the front part of your face and then each side. After you submit those images, it then gets sent to your personal dermatologist. After reviewing your pictures and your quiz that you took based on your problem areas, they then go in and make a specialized treatment for you. It usually involves 3 different ingredients, and then you can also talk to your provider directly and let them know like if you're having any issues or if there's anything that you'd like to implement instead, so stuff like that. But let's get into this video so you can see my results. Good morning, everyone. I'm looking super crazy. I just woke up and I just wanted to show you guys my face before starting the Curology. So this is what we're looking like on the first day. So I have some pimples here that are really coming out, a lot of discoloration. These aren't even flared, they're just discolored from previous scars. And then this one's kind of coming up. And then over here, I have some acne as well. This is another discoloration and just pigment, and nothing on my forehead, just mainly texture. As well as right here, I have a lot of textured skin. This is also just a scar. And yeah, so this is how we're looking. So the first step is to put on this Curology. It's called the cleanser. This one says that I am supposed to use it twice a day, so once in the morning, once at night. Gently massage onto damp face, then rinse off. And then afterwards, they sent me a little email of the steps and how to. So it says to do my cleanser, and then after my cleanser in the morning, put on sunscreen. So I'm going to be using the CeraVe sunscreen, so I will show you that in the next clip. Yes, this is my favorite robe. Don't judge me. So the next step after putting your cleanser on is you're supposed to go in with a sunscreen. My favorite sunscreen that I noticed does not break me out and that I can use every day, which you'll find in my previous video on my skincare, is this CeraVe moisturizer. So this one has SPF 30, I believe. Yeah, SPF 30. And I'm just gonna take a light amount and put it all over my face. Right away, I noticed after using the cleanser, it doesn't have a scent to it, which is really nice. It just smells like natural ingredients, so there wasn't really much of a scent. It did turn from like a gel to a foam, but right after using it, I did notice that it did strip my face oils a bit. My face was a little bit dry, but it did feel tight, and that was also one of the side effects that they did put in there that would happen, which is why you have to moisturize moisturize so much. Another thing was a little bit goes a long way. They emphasize that a lot using their products. They send you various emails like little upkeeps and stuff, and what to look for in like your day-to-day moisturizer and like cleansers and stuff like that. So they just give you little tips and tricks and how to use their products. Yeah, so that was the main thing that I noticed, just that you really did need a little bit. I also did notice that my face looked really brightened after. Yeah, I will check back with you guys tonight when we go in with the wash again and then all the other little steps. So I'll see you soon. So now it's time to wash my face again. Next, I'm gonna go in with the treatment. Good morning, everyone. So today marks day 2. This is how my face is looking so far. I did put on makeup yesterday and I didn't notice any problems or like irritation, so that was a plus. But so far this is how we're looking, and I am about to go in with my cleansers. Good morning. It is day 3. It's day 3. So far this is how my face is looking. Super brightened, but not much help with the pigment and the discoloration. So that's where we're at, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so today marks day 4. This is so far how our skin is looking. So it's still very bright. Haven't really noticed my pimples going away completely, but they have flattened. So rude. But yeah guys, so day 4 and this is how we're looking. Not too bad. I will catch you guys tomorrow. So today is day 5 and so far this is how our skin is looking. I did get a little breakout here, but so far that is about it. Everything's kind of looking the same. And update, this is my art project. Cute, right? All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. So it is day 6 and this is how our face is looking. Not bad. It's getting a lot better with my breakouts right here, but it still hasn't like completely gone away. So this is where we're at. Catch you guys tomorrow, my loves. Good morning. So today marks day 7 and it is the last day for our Curology. This is how our face is looking at the end. So did it brighten my face? Absolutely. Did it help with the discoloration and the pigmentation? Yeah, a little. Definitely better than what it was before. Did it really clear out my breakouts? It cleared out any breakouts that I already had, but as I was using it, I noticed that new breakouts would come and then the next day it'd be gone, but it'd still like be there. And then it just kind of kept fluctuating like that. So I still have these that I had in the beginning, but they are a lot better. They're definitely not inflamed. They still do have some red pigment, but not as much. But I feel like this is just something that would really have to take more time to see if it works or not. As far as for a week, it was okay. It was okay. I feel like, honestly, I feel like my skincare routine does my face better justice than this, especially in just a week. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue with Curology for about a month. But yeah, so if you wanna see what the results are after a month, would probably be most accurate review. So if you guys wanna see what the difference is and if it really worked within a month time, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will leave my direct handle somewhere here, and it'll also be at the end of my videos as always. But so if you guys want to check that out, then feel free to, and I will give you a little bit more detail and another set of thoughts on it. But yeah, but so far this is just for our 7-day trial, and this is where we're at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have tried Curology and how it worked for you, or if you're going to decide to add that to your routine. I would love to see your results. And also don't forget to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every Sunday, every time that I upload. And as always, thank you so much for watching.